In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paint Bucket tool in Photopea. First, open your browser and head to photopea.com. This is a free web-based photo editor, so there's nothing to install. Once the workspace loads, look for the main start panel and click Open from Computer. This will bring up your file picker so you can choose the image you want to work on. Select your file and let it load onto the canvas. Now we'll access the Paint Bucket. In the toolbar on the left, find the Gradient tool. The Paint Bucket is grouped with it, so right-click the gradient icon to open its flyout menu. From that menu, choose Paint Bucket tool. If you're ever unsure which one is active, glance at the top left of the interface or hover to see the tool name. Next, set the color you want to fill with. Near the bottom of the toolbar, click the foreground color swatch. This opens the color picker. You can drag within the color field, move the hue slider, or enter a hex value if you have one. When you're happy with the color, click OK to confirm. You'll see the foreground swatch update to your chosen color. With the Paint Bucket selected and your color set, click on the area of the canvas you want to fill. Photopea analyzes the color under your cursor and fills the region of similar pixels until it hits strong edges, like borders or contrasting colors. If the fill looks too limited or spills too far, check the options bar at the top. The tolerance setting controls how similar a pixel needs to be to get filled. Lower values fill only very similar colors. Higher values include a broader range. The contiguous option determines whether Photopea fills only connected areas or similar colors across the entire layer. Anti-alias smooths edges for a cleaner result. If nothing changes when you click, make sure the correct layer is selected in the Layers panel and that it isn't locked. If the whole canvas fills unexpectedly, try lowering the tolerance or enabling contiguous so the fill stays within boundaries. That's all there is to it. Open Photopea, load your image, reveal the Paint Bucket by right-clicking the Gradient tool, pick your color, confirm it, and click on the canvas to apply the fill. With a quick tweak to tolerance and contiguous, you can control your results precisely and work faster on flat colors, icons, shapes, and backgrounds. Try a few different areas to get a feel for how edges and color similarity affect the fill, and you'll be using the Paint Bucket with confidence in no time.